Ever wonder why transactions on blockchains can't be free? Well, there's a project out there for you, and it's called Tron. With its innovative pricing model and emphasis on content creation, Tron seeks to decentralize the internet and disrupt centralized data-distributed systems. Could this blockchain be the holy grail for Web3 that the world has been waiting for? Make sure to watch today's episode to find out. My name is Crypto Andy, and it's my privilege to discuss Tron with you. That being said, what is covered in this episode is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Tron is an open source layer 1 delegated proof of stake blockchain founded by Justin Sun. Tron originated on Ethereum's blockchain and established itself in Singapore in July of 2017. It would go on to launch its testnet, Blockchain Explorer, and web wallet by March of 2018. The mainnet launched in May of 2018, and in June of the same year, Tron moved to its own blockchain with the creation of its Genesis block. In October 2018, Tron launched the Tron Virtual Machine, an Ethereum-compatible smart contract platform. More on the technology is discussed at the end of the video. What Tron aims to achieve from all these developments is to decentralize the web with a focus on content creation and the decentralization of the file distribution industry. One of the attractive features of Tron is that many of its transactions are completely free. Now that we have discussed what Tron is, let's cover its tokenomics. Tron's token is called TRONIX, with its initials of TRX, and it is the official cryptocurrency of Tron. While most transactions are free, there are exceptions based on system restrictions, fairness, bandwidth usage, and transaction costs. And in those cases, there are fees paid in TRONIX, which is a cool name, by the way. Tron's market cap as of January 2nd is $5,093,000,000 plus dollars, with a circulating supply of $91.9 billion and a total supply of the same $91.9 billion plus dollars. The current price of Tron is 0.0553 cents. Also, there is no max supply for the TRX token, which would suppress upward moves in price and makes its token valuation based on usage, economic growth, and market conditions. However, there have been notable burns. When the mainnet launched in 2018, 1 billion TRX tokens were burned. Also, TRX is being burned to mint USDD, the Tron stablecoin pegged to the dollar. On a side note, when a burn happens, at that point, shortly after, the price of the token tends to move upwards, if not explode upwards. This is simple supply and demand because there is less token in distribution. So look into the wallet scanner of whatever cryptocurrency you have, and it is very useful information to know, and I encourage you to look into that. The scanner link for Tron is posted in the description below. The initial launch and token distribution of Tron happened like this. 100 billion TRX were issued initially, 15.75 billion TRX were sold in a private sale, 40 billion were allocated to ICO investors. The Tron Foundation received 34 billion TRX, and the Piwu technology company, Justin Sun's company, received 10 billion TRX tokens. So there are a lot of TRONIX in small hands. Now that we've covered tokenomics, let's look at the price action. TRX's all-time high came in just over 18 cents on April 17, 2021. However, if you look at places like CoinMarketCap and Live CoinWatch, the all-time high is just over 30 cents on January 5th, 2018, which is prior to their mainnet launch and Genesis block. So I don't count that as an all-time high because of those reasons. Since ICO, Tron has returned 29.75x denominated in USD. Since the crypto bear market started in November 2021, TRX price has dropped from a November high of near 13 cents down 57.58% to its current price of 0.055 cents. Tron's bear market rally started on January 24, 2022 at 0.055 cents and ended in May 22, 2022 at 0.092 cents. That is roughly an 80.59% increase, and it broke away from Bitcoin's price chart in that time frame, going high in June, about a month longer than BTC, which nosedived in May. So roughly speaking, all altcoins follow BTC's price. However, Tron may have qualities and characteristics that make it break away from time to time. It would be interesting to see, as the bear market continues, if Tron bottoms out at the same time or if it holds out a little bit longer. Now that we've covered that, let's move on to Tron's latest developments and partnerships. On July 14, 2022, David Okuniak, Director of Blockchain Strategy at Tron, discussed Ape NFT Marketplace's mainnet launch and Tron's ecosystem. For those that did not know, the Ape NFT Marketplace is run on Tron infrastructure. The platform, which was launched in April 2022, is supported with one of the world's most extensive distributed storage systems, the BitTorrent file system. Together, the platform can apply zero transaction fees at the initial stage of the marketplace and enable creators to earn extra royalties on subsequent trades. The exchange contains 62,869 NFTs as of April 29, 2022, with some of the most well-known collections including Invisible Tron Friends, Cool Cat Tron, and Tron Bull Club, among others. There are a number of costs associated with minting and interacting with NFTs on blockchains, but Ape NFT differentiates itself with zero transaction fees for creators. It seems likely that other NFT marketplaces will follow suit in the Tron free transaction model for NFTs. Tron leads the way with their pricing model, which I'm sure was a main reason why they landed such a high profile partnership with Ape NFT in the first place. Web3 is a highly competitive area, and if you want to learn more about another competing project, make sure to click on the link above regarding Matic. Another major update for Tron: in Geneva, Switzerland, on August 31st, Tron announced that Wintermute is now the official market maker for TRX and a strategic partner for the entire Tron ecosystem. In this capacity, Wintermute will provide liquidity for major TRX pairs across various exchanges, boosting greater accessibility to the TRX token. Wintermute, a leading global algorithmic market maker in digital assets, is now the official market maker for Tron. This is a strategic partnership for Tron's ecosystem and offers insights on market conditions to help create a sustainable liquidity model. Wintermute, because the latest whitelisted member to join the Tron DAO reserve, gaining access to minting and redeeming USDG, the over-collateralized, decentralized stablecoin powered by the Tron network. Every major project in the Web3 space needs a reliable and innovative market maker for transactions. Wintermute aims to reduce market takers or crypto whales' influence over asset prices. Such an approach leads to a more decentralized ecosystem that allows for greater user autonomy, which in turn reduces disruptions and slippage during trading, if you're familiar with that. Now that we have covered some of the latest partnerships, let's discuss the founder of Tron. Justin Sun is a serial entrepreneur and very well known in the blockchain industry. He is the founder of Tron Foundation. Mr. Sun previously led development for Ripple's China business. He is founded Piwu, a popular live chat app in China with over 10 million registered users. Justin Sun served as the CEO until July 2017. He became a Davos Global Shaper in 2014 and was on the Forbes 30 Under 30 China and Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia list in 2017. Justin earned his MA from University of Pennsylvania in 2013 and his BA in history from Peking University. Tron held an initial ICO, initial coin offering, for the TRX token a few days before the Chinese government banned ICOs. According to The Verge, Sun was aware of the impending ban and pushed for the sale to occur before the ban could be announced. Shortly afterwards, Sun left China for the United States. There is a website called HeJustinSun.com that is dedicated to Justin Sun, and it has a lot of links to his keynotes, news coverage, and just thoughts, which is a section in that website. If you want to learn more about him, I do recommend that you check his website out. And there's a lot of things on there for you to get a real sense of him. Now that we've discussed Tron's founder, let's move on to Tron's vision and technology. Tron is an ambitious project dedicated to the establishment of a truly decentralized internet and its infrastructure. The Tron protocol offers public blockchain support of high throughput, high scalability, and high availability for all decentralized applications, dApps, in the Tron ecosystem. The July 2018 acquisition of BitTorrent further cemented Tron's leadership in pursuing a decentralized ecosystem. The Tron consensus mechanism uses an innovative delegated proof-of-stake system in which 27 super representative SRs produce blocks for the network. Every 6 hours, TRX account holders who freeze their account can vote for a selection of super representative candidates, with the top 27 candidates deemed to the SRs. Voters may choose SRs based on criteria such as projects sponsored by the SRs to increase TRX adoption and rewards distributed to the voters. This allows for a more democratized and decentralized ecosystem. So there is an additional layer where TRX account holders can vote and have input, unlike the proof-of-stake blockchain such as Ethereum, which have more favoritism the higher the staking pool value. Another important feature is the Tron virtual machine. Tron's TVM is a lightweight. Its goal is to provide custom-built blockchain systems that is efficient, that is convenient, stable, secure, and scalable, of course. The TVM initially forked from the Ethereum EVM, and it can connect seamlessly with the existing Solidity smart contract. Tron's TVM employs the concept of energy differently from the gas mechanism of EVM. Operations of transactions and smart contracts on TVM are free, with no TRX consumed. Also, executable computation capacity on TVM is not restricted by the total holding number of tokens. This allows, again, for more decentralization, as you don't need a high number of tokens to execute smart contracts. If you have made it to the end, I want to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to let me know what information you want to cover in the next video. Have a good rest of your day. Goodbye, my friends.